Hello students, how are you? Today we will do the class number 12 in science. It will be about the surface tension, okay? So in the video that I will show you, it will be an example about surface tension. It will be a different example of the lesson that you have, okay? So when you need to resolve the worksheet, please read well the lesson in the book, okay? So this example here in the video is another extension of the lesson, so you'll be able to understand more. Okay, so we will begin the video now.
By looking into the invisible world of high speed, we discover extraordinary events, even in something as ordinary as a garden pond. These little creatures, water striders, had long been a bit of a mystery. Nobody could work out quite how they could propel themselves across the surface of the water so quickly. They can scoot forward nearly 2 meters every second. And they're achieving something of biblical proportions, actually walking on water, skating across the surface without sinking. Only by seeing what time usually renders invisible to us can we understand what's really going on. And it's got something to do with what's about to happen here. Normally this is too fast to see. But watch what happens in slow motion as the droplet of milk hits the water surface. Instead of breaking, the water surface stretches, bouncing the milk drop back up into the air. The water behaves as if it has a thin elastic film on the surface. It's called surface tension. And it's this elastic membrane that allows the water strider to stand on the water rather than sinking into it. He's also using that elastic surface tension to catapult himself across the pond at the equivalent of about 600 miles an hour. In coloured water, we can see the force of the strider's legs as they push across the surface. A high-speed artist of the invisible world.
So this is the class of today. I hope you have enjoyed. Okay, if you have any question, please let me know. Thank you.